A warm welcome to all of you tuning into Blissful Broadcast. Today we're taking a deep dive into a topic that's close to many hearts. 7 foods that can raise estrogen levels in menopause and help you feel better. We'll be exploring what menopause is, its symptoms, natural and medical treatments, and most importantly, the role of diet in managing menopause. So let's embark on this journey of knowledge together. Stay tuned to discover more about this important topic. Firstly, we delve into understanding what menopause is. Menopause is a natural biological process that marks the end of a woman's menstrual cycles. It's officially diagnosed after a woman has gone 12 months without a menstrual period. While the timing differs for every woman, it typically occurs in their late 40s or early 50s. At its core, menopause is driven by hormonal changes. As a woman ages, her ovaries produce less estrogen and progesterone, 2 hormones needed for reproduction. This results in a gradual cessation of periods and the onset of menopause. Now let's talk about the symptoms. Menopause isn't an overnight event. Instead, it's a process that often begins with perimenopause. During this stage, you might start experiencing irregular periods and changes in flow. Other symptoms include hot flashes, sudden feelings of warmth, mostly in the upper body, which might cause you to sweat or your face to become red. Night sweats, difficulty sleeping, and mood changes are also common. You might feel more anxious, irritable, or even depressed. Some women also experience physical changes such as weight gain, thinning hair, dry skin, and a loss of breast fullness. While these symptoms can feel overwhelming, remember that menopause is a natural part of life, not a disease that needs a cure. However, that doesn't mean you have to suffer in silence. There are many ways to manage the symptoms and make this transition more comfortable. It's also important to note that menopause can have long-term effects on your health. Due to decreased estrogen levels, postmenopausal women are at a higher risk for conditions like osteoporosis and heart disease. Regular checkups and a healthy lifestyle can help manage these risks. So what's the takeaway here? Understanding menopause, its symptoms, and the changes it brings to your body can make this transition less daunting. It's all about arming yourself with knowledge and seeking support when needed. Knowing these signs and symptoms can help you navigate this phase with more awareness. Now that we know what menopause is, let's explore some treatments. Menopause, while a natural part of aging, can bring with it a number of uncomfortable symptoms. But don't despair. There are various ways to manage these symptoms, both naturally and medically. First, let's look at some natural treatments. A balanced diet is key to managing menopause symptoms. Foods rich in calcium and vitamin D, such as dairy products and fatty fish, can help maintain bone health, while those high in phytoestrogens, like soy and flax seeds, can help balance hormone levels. Regular exercise is also crucial. It not only helps with weight management and bone health, but can also improve mood and sleep. Herbal remedies are another popular natural treatment. Black cohosh, for instance, is often used to alleviate hot flashes, while St. John's wort is known for its potential to help with mood swings and depression. However, it's important to remember that these remedies can interact with other medications and may not be suitable for everyone. Now on to medical treatments. Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, is one of the most well-known treatments for menopause symptoms. It involves taking medications containing female hormones to replace those the body no longer makes after menopause. While HRT can be effective, it's not without risks. Therefore, it's vital to talk to your healthcare provider about whether it's right for you. Selective estrogen receptor modulators, or SERMs, are another medical treatment. These drugs are designed to act like estrogen in some parts of the body, such as the bones, but not in others, like the breast and uterus. This can help protect against osteoporosis, a common concern during menopause. Lastly, antidepressants, blood pressure medications, and other non-hormonal medications can also be used to manage specific menopause symptoms. Remember, the choice of treatment depends on your symptoms and overall health. It's important to have open, ongoing conversations with your healthcare provider to find the best treatment plan for you. After all, menopause is a journey, and you deserve to navigate it with as much comfort and ease as possible. Scene script. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in managing menopause symptoms. Let's dive into 7 foods that can raise estrogen levels and help you feel better during menopause. First up, we have flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of estrogen and fiber, helping to balance hormones and alleviate hot flashes. Try sprinkling them on your oatmeal or blending them into smoothies for an easy boost. Next is soy, a plant-based food rich in isoflavones, compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are excellent sources of soy and can be a great addition to your meals. Then we have fruits, especially citrus fruits and berries. They are high in antioxidants and fiber, which can help manage weight and reduce menopause symptoms. Don't forget your leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with calcium and vitamin K, essential for bone health, a significant concern during menopause. Fifth on our list is whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. They are rich in fiber and can help manage menopause symptoms by stabilizing blood sugar levels. Next, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and may help with symptoms like dry skin and mood swings. Last but not least, we have nuts, particularly walnuts and almonds. They are rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, all of which can help balance hormones and manage weight during menopause. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. Also, while these foods can help manage symptoms, they're not a cure-all. It's essential to maintain a balanced diet and pair it with regular exercise for the best results. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help manage your symptoms and improve your overall well-being. Now, isn't that food for thought? While some foods help, others might exacerbate your symptoms. It's important to know that certain foods and drinks might not be your best friends during menopause. High sodium foods, for instance, can lead to bloating and fluid retention, a common symptom many women experience. Caffeine can trigger hot flashes and disrupt sleep patterns, which is the last thing you'd want during this phase. Alcohol may also have a similar effect, so it's worth considering reducing your intake. Highly processed foods and sugars can lead to weight gain and fluctuations in blood sugar, adding to your woes. Spicy foods may trigger hot flashes in some women, so it's advisable to monitor your body's reaction to them. While everyone's experience with menopause is unique, these general guidelines can help manage your symptoms. Remember, balance is key. It's all about knowing your body and making informed food choices. Avoiding these can help you maintain a better hormonal balance. Exercise isn't just for weight loss, it's a key player in managing menopause symptoms too. Now, you might be thinking, I'm already dealing with hot flashes and mood swings, and now I have to exercise too. But hear me out. Regular exercise isn't just about maintaining a healthy weight or building muscles. It's a powerful tool to keep your hormones in check and manage those pesky menopause symptoms. It helps alleviate anxiety and depression, improves your sleep, and increases your energy levels. Plus, it strengthens your heart and bones, which are particularly vulnerable during menopause. You don't have to run a marathon or hit the gym every day. Even simple activities like walking or gardening can make a big difference. It's all about being consistent and finding something you enjoy. Remember, menopause is a natural phase of life, not a disease, and with the right approach, you can navigate through it smoothly. With regular exercise, you can keep those menopause symptoms at bay. And that wraps up our discussion on managing menopause symptoms. We've explored the intricate world of menopause, unraveled its mysteries, and understood its symptoms. We've discovered natural and medical treatments that can help make this journey a bit more comfortable. We've delved into the role of food, highlighting those that can help boost your estrogen levels, and those that are best avoided during this phase of life. Furthermore, we've underscored the significance of exercise, not just for menopause but for overall health and well-being. It's important to remember that while menopause is a natural part of life, it doesn't have to be a burdensome one. With the right knowledge and resources, it can be managed effectively. Now, if you found this discussion helpful and informative, please feel free to hit that like button and share it with those who might benefit from it. And if you want to continue this journey of discovery with us and get notified about similar informative videos, don't hesitate to subscribe to Blissful Broadcast. It's your support that helps us continue to bring you these enlightening discussions. As we conclude, remember, menopause may be a phase, but it doesn't define you. You have the power to make it a comfortable and empowering journey. Thank you for joining us today. Stay blessed, stay blissful, and until next time, goodbye.